How to update website on Wix. So right here on your Wix site editor, whenever you make an edit or changes, it doesn't actually update online on your website before you publish them. It does save for you to see, but not for everyone or the visitor of your website. And to update your website, right here on your Wix editor, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click publish right here every time you make a change that you want everyone to see. After that, your website then updated for everybody who visit your site later. For example, I want to delete this video right here. I do a double click and then click delete. And if I do visit my actual site right here, even after I refresh it like this, as you can see, it's not actually updating. The video is still there, but when I go back to my website editor and then click on publish at the top right of my screen, and then I go to my site and do a refresh on it, as you can see, the video is gone. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.